Introducing SFOne by Soltech. The one-in-portrait dual-row solar tracker is the ultimate solution for harnessing the power of the sun. SFOne is Soltech's innovation designed exclusively for the U.S. market, combining years of expertise in design, manufacturing, and installation. Say goodbye to complicated setups and costly materials. Thanks to its pre-assembled sets, SFOne simplifies the process, reducing costs and speeding up installation. Additionally, the SFOne tracker, through its connected drive system, also reduces the number of motors and electronic systems by 50%. Our dual-row tracker allows for greater adaptability to the terrain, accommodating slopes, irregularities, and different types of soil. Moreover, it incorporates highly flexible materials that enable the trackers to be misaligned to absorb any terrain unevenness and facilitate installation. The sophisticated design of the SFOne tracker includes a wiring system that avoids extra pieces, reducing both the number of tracker parts and its overall cost. Its innovative electronic system features full wireless communication, and electronics are designed to withstand low temperatures. SFOne employs state-of-the-art algorithms to maximize production at minimal cost. Soltech's TeamTrack helps minimize shading losses between rows and ensures maximum production in projects with irregular terrains. Thanks to bifacial tracking, SFOne will find the optimal position to maximize production, considering the bifacial irradiation. The diffuse booster algorithm allows for the maximization of solar tracker production, even on cloudy days, through diffuse irradiation. SFOne also includes die-wind methodology, which protects the plant from the most adverse weather conditions. Die-wind ensures the best response of the solar trackers against wind. And Soltech's hail algorithm prevents plant damage during heavy precipitation. Soltech's U.S. manufacturing capability enables it to tackle any project, maximizing production while minimizing costs and risks. Choose SFOne by Soltech and empower your future with clean, sustainable energy.